In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset calories on MyFitnessPal. Quick walkthrough. If your daily calorie total looks off or you just want a clean slate for the day, resetting your calories in MyFitnessPal is simply about clearing your diary entries. This doesn't change your calorie goals or erase your account data. It just removes the foods and exercises logged for a specific day, so your remaining calories recalculate to zero consumed. Start by opening the MyFitnessPal app on your device. On the welcome screen, tap Login. On the sign-in page, enter your email address and password. For your security, make sure you're using the official app and a trusted connection. When you're ready, tap Login again to access your account. Once you're on the dashboard, head to the diary. This is the central place where your meals, snacks, and exercises are recorded, and it's what determines your daily calorie total. Before you proceed, quickly glance at the date shown at the top of the diary to ensure you're on the correct day you want to reset. It's much easier to clear the right day now than to undo changes later. Look to the upper right corner of the diary for the three dots menu. Tap it to open more options. From there, choose Edit Diary. This puts your diary into a mode where you can select items to remove. To reset everything for the day in one go, tap Select All. You should see all your entries become selected at once, including meals and any logged exercises. With everything selected, tap the delete or trash icon that appears at the top. The app will ask you to confirm, which helps prevent accidental deletions. Go ahead and tap Delete to finalize. MyFitnessPal will remove all selected entries, and your diary for that day will be cleared. You'll notice your calories consumed for that date return to zero, and any exercise adjustments tied to those entries will also be removed. A few quick tips as you wrap up. This action is intended for the specific day you're viewing, and it doesn't alter your calorie goals, macro targets, weight entries, or progress history. If you ever only need to remove a few items instead of everything, you can delete individual entries directly from the diary without using Select All. Also, deletions like this generally can't be undone, so double check the date and entries before confirming. That's it. Your calories for the day are now reset. If this helped, continue using your diary consistently to keep your nutrition on track, and revisit these steps anytime you need a fresh start for the day.